Welcome to your May real life trading challenge video. Every single month, we're doing 3 unique challenges to both inspire courage and enrich lives. This month, what we want to do is challenge you to a real life and trading challenge. Your trading challenge is to focus primarily on Tesla when you are day trading. Make sure it's on your list every single day and try to capture gains each week day trading Tesla. Number 2, your life challenge. I want you to memorize a poem and upload it on your videos or your socials. Okay? And then, of course, your physical challenge. The physical challenge, which is the tough challenge every single month. I want you to bike 500 miles in the month of May, getting ready for that summer body and get those legs in beautiful shape and work your cardio as great as you can. All right? You guys are fantastic.